Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wealthfront SEP IRA, a comprehensive guide to help you understand and utilize this retirement account effectively. A SEP IRA, or Simplified Employee Pension Individual Retirement Account, is a type of retirement plan that allows self-employed individuals and small business owners to save for their future. First, let's start with the basics. To open a Wealthfront SEP IRA, you need to be self-employed or have a small business with a few employees. You can contribute to a SEP IRA as an employer, and the funds will be invested in a tax-deferred account. The annual contribution limit for SEP IRAs is significantly higher than that of traditional IRAs, making it an attractive option for business owners. To get started with Wealthfront SEP IRA, you need to create an account on the Wealthfront website. The process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have created your account, you can link your bank account and start funding your SEP IRA. Wealthfront offers a range of investment options, including index funds and ETFs. The platform uses a passive investment strategy, which means that your funds will be invested in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. This approach has been shown to be an effective way to grow your wealth over the long term. One of the key benefits of using Wealthfront SEP IRA is the low fees. The platform charges a management fee of just 0.25% per year, which is significantly lower than what many financial advisors charge. Additionally, Wealthfront does not charge any trading fees or commissions, which means that you can buy and sell investments without incurring any extra costs. To contribute to your Wealthfront SEP IRA, you can set up automatic transfers from your bank account. This way, you can ensure that you are regularly saving for your retirement without having to think about it. You can also make one-time contributions if you prefer. It's also important to understand the rules and regulations surrounding SEP IRAs. For example, you must make contributions by the tax filing deadline, which is typically April 15th of each year. Additionally, you must file Form 5498 with the IRS to report your SEP IRA contributions. In conclusion, using Wealthfront SEP IRA is a great way to save for your retirement as a self-employed individual or small business owner. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and rules, you can make the most of this powerful retirement savings tool. Remember to start early, contribute regularly, and take advantage of the low fees and diversified investment options offered by Wealthfront.